In this video, I'll show you how you can delete your Facebook account easy and quickly. Just follow this step by step right here. Let's go to screen of my phone. Please don't forget, leave a like, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down here if this step by step works. Thank you to watch this video and let's go to screen of my phone. Okay, my dears, let's go to this step by step. It will work to any model of phone. The first thing you need to do is open the Facebook app. In this new step-by-step, you check the settings of your Facebook chains, okay? So follow it, paying attention. At the left top corner, it will see these three line points. Tap right here to show for you these settings. Just scroll down until you find these options. Tap right here in settings and privacy. When you tap right here, it will show this new options. Okay, in these new options you will tap in settings again and it will show this new screen. In this new screen you will check the Meta options is enabled right now. The Meta is syncing all your accounts inside your mobile, your Instagram account, your WhatsApp account, your Facebook account, okay? But in this new screen, you just need to scroll down until you find the listed options inside the Meta options. In some cases, these Meta options, it will stay at above in the settings options, okay? Just tap right here in the Meta options when you find it, and it will show this screen. In this screen, you will see the account centers. You just need to scroll down until you find these options. Manage accounts. When you tap right here, you just need to pay attention. Now, you just need to select just accounts you want to delete. Careful to you do not select another account. So, I want to delete my Facebook account. So I will come in Facebook in this account and tap in manage options. After that, it will show this screen. I will just need to tap in the second titled options in deactivation or deletion, and I will tap right here. After that, it will show these options. Deactivating or deleting your Facebook account. Just scroll down to tap right here in the second options, delete account, and tap in continue. After that, the Facebook will ask for you many questions. Just select what questions you want, what answers you want, and after that you just need to put your password to delete your Facebook account. Oh, if I help you with this simple tutorial, please right here, oh thank you, it works. And leave a like and leave a comment down here, subscribe to the channel, my dears. Until the next video, stay with God and see ya!